Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Shoes of Hollywood, which is my favourite place in the world. I am going to be reviewing some shoes for you today. So we have the Delight in black suede pewter today. They come in the gorgeous red box, of course. You know red's my favourite colour. We would love to see you in store, but if you buy online, you can see how well each shoe is individually packed. So triple wrapped for transit. Oh, love, look at them. As well as reinforced here with the paper so that there's no crushing during transit. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to try them on. I'll get the other one out. So the first layer is like a dust bag. Hang on to that. Get rid of your plastic and your paper. Now it's important to note too that you also get some spare rhinestones in the box as well. So, I mean, look, you can tell they're made beautifully. They're not going to come off, but hey, maybe you're a little bit rough with your shoes, I don't know. But it's good to know that there's some spare ones there, as well as a drawstring bag for travel or to keep your shoes in your cupboard. You know that I like to keep mine in the box, just to keep heavy things off them. Then you can stack them on top of each other too. So if you're in an apartment, you might not even have a wardrobe. So you can stack your shoes or you can store them under your bed if you keep them in the boxes. My nails are too long today. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. These rhinestones are just amazing. If it has a sparkle, it's got my name on it. These are the Pleaser brand, but I think they should be called the Vanessa brand because they're black and they're sparkly. So these are a 6-inch heel. Super simple to pop on. If you can find the hole. Oop. I can't find the hole. There we go. Oh. The left one on. And they do have this gorgeous lining as well. So they're soft on the bottom of your foot. And it's the little details. What have I done? There we go. It's the little details like that that make this brand superior. You know, it's the little things you don't think of yourself. But when you have a hard plasticky feeling or wooden feeling base that your foot's sitting on, your feet get sweaty, they rub, and the balls of your feet will start to ache really, really quickly. But with this lining, they won't. Okay guys, I am going to take these for a walk. As I said, 6-inch heel. They've got a platform on them as well. Look at the sparkling. Oh my goodness, these have to be renamed the Vanessa. These are just absolutely stunning. Look at that detail. Open toe to show off your beautiful manicure. The strap is essential for support, but look at the detail in the strap as well. So the rhinestones go all the way around. And the base of the shoe, it does have that rubber grip. I'm going to take these just out here to show you what they look like in the sun. They are super sparkly, and you know I love a sparkle, so I need to show you the sparkling. Look! Oh my goodness. Oh, how could you not just stare at these all day? I'll take you back inside. Super comfortable as always with this brand. Comfort is key. They are designed so that you can and will want to wear them all day and all night to any event. I just love them even with jeans and this jacket. But even something like a cute little shorter dress, I would wear these with, because I would want the shoes to be the statement. I'll show you guys what they look like from the side as well. Look at them. I'm so in love. So gorgeous, so high, so sparkly, and super, super comfortable and sturdy, which is super important. So these get a big tick from me. Not only for the comfort, but the versatility as well. They can, I mean, you can really make the shoe the statement. The shoe can be your outfit. Go for something plain on top, cute little top and skirt combo in a plain colour. They are fantastic. You guys will love these shoes. If you like this video as well, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get notifications when a new video is published, and also give us a big thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye.